Hello out there. How we doing? My name is Katrina. I teach a class called Body Rock, and when everyone's not quarantined, I teach at Snap Fitness in Seymour, Indiana. But for now, since we're all isolating ourselves, and if you're not, you should be, I am going to teach from the privacy of my own living room, and I have been live streaming these classes as well as posting some tutorials throughout the week on a Facebook group page I have called Body Rock with Katrina. Starting tomorrow, I'm actually going to start using the Zoom app for the live streams. So find me on Zoom if you'd like to interact live so you can hear and see each other while we do class. So that's going to be a lot of fun. Again, I'm attempting that at 2 p.m. tomorrow, Sunday afternoon for the first time. And afterwards, if you're not able to do it in real time on Zoom with me, I will post that video to the private Facebook page. So if you are my friend or not my friend on Facebook, either way, feel free to join that private group and be a part of the fun. So I would love to have you. It's a good time to really move and dance because it's not just good for you physically, but honestly, it's just so good for you mentally. And right now, we all need that mental release. So this is the song Physical by Dua Lipa. I'm going to do this tutorial now. This is a super fun song, so I'm excited to do it for you. Let's go through the moves real quick. So take a couple steps back. All right. So as we start this song, we're going to hold our arms out to the sides here. Palms are flat. This is just kind of a little bit of music at the beginning where we're going to take our head right side, right and left. Just a little movement to segue us into the verses. And then we're going to come down, and we've got our right knee popped with our right heel lifted, and we're going to start with our left opposite arm pumping. So we go right foot, left foot, lift that heel, lift. And then we're going to do the same thing with our feet, but we're going to switch our arms to left dab, if you will. Right dab, left and right. I'm going to do that from the side real quick so you can see what my heels and feet look like. We're bent here, booty back, pump it, pump, pump, pump. Same thing with our arms switching. So we go through that, and then as we finish that last dab, we're going to take our right foot, step out with our arms coming up, and body roll down for 4 counts, and body roll down on the left side. So I believe we're going to go through that again, each side, and then side to side, and then body roll on the right, body roll on the left, and then we're going to have a front arm, pull it in, or not front arm, right arm to the front, left arm to the front, pull it in, and then we will start the chorus where we're going to step, tap. So we've got our right foot out to the side. As we step out with our right foot, I want you to take your arms up to the left. I'm going to step back a little bit here. So we step, pull down, and bring that left foot in for the tap. Then left foot comes out, right foot pulls. So step, tap. We're going to do this 4 times. Then, as our right foot stays here, we're on our toe. So with your heel up, you're ready to hop and tap, hop and tap, hop and tap, hop and tap. You can get creative with those arms. We're going to do that for 4. 4. And then we're going to grapevine to the right. A grapevine step is we're going to start on our right, and we're going to step right foot, left behind, right foot, left tap. Then the opposite, left, right foot back, left, right foot taps in. And the arms for this, we're just going to point on our right as we go to the right. 1, 2, 3, hit that fist. 1, 2, 3, hit the fist. And then we're going to step apart with our legs, arms up, 2, 3, right here into flexed arms. Let's get physical. All right, so we're gonna, from there, go back into the verse. We're gonna do it all over again with that lifting of the heel, popping of the knee. Pop, 2, 3, 4, side 2, 3, 4, body rolls on both sides. And then I believe that only happens one time in the second verse. We'll see though. Not gonna promise you anything. Clearly I don't remember, but you know what you're gonna do. We're just gonna repeat that if it happens again. So anyway, then we'll go back into that step, pull for the chorus, step, pull 4 times, and then hop it, hop, and grapevine 2, 3, fist, grapevine 2, 3, fist, 1, 2, 3, flex, let's get physical. All right, so then that takes us into what's affectionately called the bridge of the song. We're going to do a similar grapevine movement to the right, but we're going to change our arms. We're going to push out as we step, in as we step behind, up and down. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to go around take our right foot. You're going to step out really wide for me and get low. So I'm going to bend my knees like I'm squatting, and I'm going to pivot around using my left foot. My left foot's going to stay stationary. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, arms up, flex, let's get physical. And then we're going to do the same thing, but our grapevine's going to start to the left this time. We're going to push 2, 3, 4, push 2, 3, 4, push 2, 3, 4, push 2, 3, 4. Left foot out, 2, 3, 4, and up. Let's get physical. Now, from there, we're going to keep our wide stance, maybe even step a little wider. You're going to clap up, leaning to a side lunge. So our knee bends. We're going to up, down, lean here. Up, down, down. I'm not sure how many times that happens. You'll find out when we get there. Yay! So we go from here to here, and then we're gonna go, let's get physical. Back into that step, pull of the chorus. Step, pull, bounce, bounce, bounce. Grapevine, hit. Grapevine, hit. Arms up, flex. Let's get physical. We're gonna end the whole thing with 16 jumping jacks, I believe. So we're gonna go front for 4 and 4, and then we're gonna turn 2. So we're gonna turn it all the way around, and we're gonna end with 4 on the left. And if you wanna modify those jumping jacks, obviously you can go full jacks, or you can kind of just use one foot to pivot you and use your arms. You can toe tap. Let's do that toe tap to the front. So you can tap, 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 all the way around. So again, you don't have to have that full hop. Just depends on where you are. You just listen to what your body tells you and do it. So let's do this thing. I'm going to start the music. Okay, I'm so excited. This song is fun. Bear with me, it's coming. All right, here we go. I'm so excited. Okay, right knee pops.
Common love isn't for us. We created something phenomenal. Don't you agree?
Here we go. Body roll.
Don't you agree? to go to sleep when I got you next to me. All night, I'm riding with you. I know you got my back, and you know I got you. So come on, come on, come on. Let's get physical. Lights out, follow the noise. Baby, keep on dancing like you ain't got a choice. Come on, come on, come on. Let's get physical. Adrenaline keeps on rushing in. Love the simulation we're dreaming in. Don't you agree? Don't you agree? I don't wanna live another life, 'cause this one's pretty nice. Living it up. Who needs to go to sleep when I got you next to me? All night, I'm riding with you. I know you got my back, and you know I got you. So come on, come on, come on. Let's get physical. Lights out, follow the noise. Baby, keep on dancing like you ain't got a choice. So come on, come on, come on. Let's get physical. Hold up, just a little tighter. Come on, hold up. Tell me if you're ready. Come on, baby, keep on dancing. Let's get physical. Hold up, just a little tighter. Come on, hold up. Tell me if you're ready. Come on, baby, keep on dancing. Let's get physical. All night, I'm riding with you. I know you got my back, and you know I got you. So come on, come on, come on. Let's get physical. Lights out, follow the noise. Baby, keep on dancing like you ain't got a choice. So come on, come on, come on. Let's get physical. Let's get physical. Physical. Let's get physical. Come on. Physical.
Woo! Okay, I made a few mistakes, but I got it. Hold on. Another one of our songs. Anyway, thanks for joining. See you in class.